In recent years, CBD massage or CBD enhancements have really grown in popularity, specifically in the spa industry. In today's video, I will be demonstrating a brief protocol on what you can do to create a spa-type service that increases the permeability and the absorption when performing a CBD massage for clients. The first thing you must do is choose a premium CBD product partner. You see, not all CBD products are created equal, so make sure you choose wisely. This protocol begins with a steamed hot towel compress, similar to poultice. If you've ever used poultice, they are steamed hot herbal compresses. In this case, I'm using a bunch of hot towels. You can use this in a hot cabbie. And you basically begin to compress along the spine, warming up the area, opening up the blood vessels, dilating them, getting them ready for absorption. So can CBD be absorbed through the skin? Well, the short answer is yes. However, the compound's transdermal permeability is relatively low, which just means that the skin's protective barrier limits the systemic absorption of this product. That just means that in research that has been done so far, systemic effect is not as strong as compared to other routes of intake or consumption of CBD products. However, in that same research, topical CBD products have shown great promise due to their interactions with the endocannabinoid system of the skin. So the theory is that there are two main things that increase the ability for our bodies to absorb CBD topically. The first is the quality of the product, so make sure you are truly using a premium CBD product. The second would be where you're applying the product on the skin so that it has the most potential for absorption. So in this protocol, we started with the hot towel, and now I'm applying the CBD oil directly to the spine. Now you slowly just spread that along the spine with your fingertips, back of your fingers. And the goal here is simply to evenly spread what was applied as close to the spine as possible. And the following techniques will just be working this product in and around the lamina groove and along the spine. So now we're scooping around, pulling the product in towards the spine as we work our way up towards the head in a circular motion. These are semicircles or half circles, working our way up towards the head and neck. Next, you're just dragging the skin and the product again towards the spine. And our goal here, and the theory here, is that we're dragging everything towards the spine to increase maximum absorption in the area closest to the spine so that you can have the most potential for systemic effect and benefit. Now this is the lamina groove, just working the product into the lamina groove area with the fingertips. And the neck and the base of the head are also high absorption areas, and so all of these things leading up towards the head, ending in some nice petrissage along the spine, and then in the neck area as you work your way up towards the base of the head. Now there's a cradle effect where you have a thumb on one side of the spine and the fingertips on the other side. You're jostling back and forth, rocking the body along. Just allowing the fingers, again the thumb side and the fingertips, bringing the muscles around the erector group in towards the spine. And then this technique, you put your fingers in a V position with the fingertips in the lamina groove, and then the other hand goes on top, adding some pressure downward. You just do a slight jostle all the way up towards the head, into the neck, and then the occipital ridge. And you can repeat that several times. Now you're working along the neck area, along the spine, just some final strokes, bringing everything towards the spine and adding some nice finishing strokes to this back routine. This is just a nice way to finish with a little jostle. In this section, this is a salve, a CBD salve product, great to use on the feet. The soles of the feet are well known for being great high absorption rates. It's used commonly in essential oil thoughts of wellness and medicine, and so applying a product to the soles of the feet is great for the body absorbing. So once you've applied the product, you can use some reflexology style techniques, some pressure point techniques to really hit some key zones, if you will, along the feet to allow for a nice service experience along with the benefits of a CBD product. Just one important disclaimer. Please don't ever use CBD topicals or ointments on opened wounds or damaged skin, because this can absolutely increase the risk of adverse reactions. And finally, using a sports style product with CBD in it, whether it's a cream or something similar. Again, making sure that the product you're using is a high standard, high quality product. Apply that to the neck area and then begin a nice specific neck massage, and focusing on the occipital ridge as well. It's the areas along the cervical spine and again along the base of the skull. So this wraps up the protocol for this CBD style massage that can be used in spa type environments. Techniques that are used to bring the product towards the spine for absorption, then along the soles of the feet. Again, another noted area for great levels of absorption, and finally along the cervical spine and into the base of the occiput, base of the head area. All areas known for having max absorption and effects for the body systemically. As always, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comments down below. Hope you enjoyed this quick CBD massage max absorption protocol, and I will see you on the next video.